Hello friends, I hope all are doing very well. So right now I'm just in front of the Akbar Fort where I'm going to visit the Akshayvat Patalloki temple and Akshayvat tree, which is more popular quiet tree in our Hindu religion and Jain religion. So I'm going to visit the Akshayvat Patalloki temple from this Allahabad fort, which is built by the Akbar in 1583, because the temple Sri Akshayvat temple Patalloki and the Sri Akshayvat trees, which is enclosed by the Allahabad fort, Akbar fort only. So I'm going from this way. This is the way to go inside the fort. So let's see the view. It's very unique and amazing fort. Still we can see it is under the nowadays control of the Archaeologist Survey of India as a national importance. So Allahabad Fort, which was built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar at Prayagraj in 1583, which is wrote in the Akbarnama, which was wrote by the Abul Fazl at the time. And this fort stands on the banks of the Yamuna river near its confluence with the Ganges and Saraswati river at Triveni Sangam. It is also classified already, and a stone inscription inside fort described in 1583 as a foundation year, but this stone inscription related to the Ashoka period, which was yearly period situated at Kosambi, which is located only 60 km away from the here Kosambi, and taken from here to Allahabad Fort. Even the lion capital of Ashoka, Ashokastam, also located in the middle of the fort. The fort was controlled by the Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1583, and Abul Fazl in his Akbarnama writes already explain about this. So Akbar is also thought to have been motivated by the ability to collect the taxes from the large numbers of the pilgrims visiting the Triveni Sangam, and Akbar Fort was constructed in such a way that it enclosed the Akshayvat tree where people would commit suicide in order to achieve salvation. And this fort has the three galleries flanked by the high towers. In 1600, Mughal Prince Salim, who was a son of the Akbar, who was the future Emperor Jahangir, revolted against his father Akbar and established his own court in Allahabad Fort. So the fort was first gained control by the British East India Company troops in 1765 as a part of Treaty of Allahabad, signed after the Battle of the Buxar by Commander-in-Chief of British India Robert Clive, Mughal Emperor Shah Alam, and the ruler of Awadh Nawab Shujā-ud-Dawla. So this is all explained about the Akbar Fort. Right now let's see the view of the Akbar Fort, which is clearly visible from the here, and I am going towards the Akshayvat tree. So I am going to explain about the Akshayvat tree, because there is one Akshayvat tree which is related with the Jain first Rishabh Devji, who was the first Jain Tirthakar, and the second Akshayvat tree which is related with the Sri Ram, Sita and Lakshman and Lord Hanuman. So I am going to explain about it. This is the way, and from this way I am going, and it's also a very long way. I have to cross, visit around the fort to see the Akshayvat trees and Akshayvat Patalloki temple. So this is the notice board which is written regarding the Akshayvat tree. So I am going to read about this. Listen carefully, understand the everything regarding the, and let's see the Akshayvat tree which is visible from the here. So I am going to read about the Akshayvat tree. It's clearly visible, and we can see the crowd here, and people are so excited to go nearby the Akshayvat tree at this place. So let's see, this is the view of the Akshayvat tree. So really it's a very good Akshayvat tree. We can see the view which is clearly visible from the here. I'm also going in front of the Akshayvat tree. I'm planning to go there because of the meditation. I will do meditation there nearby the Akshayvat tree. So right now I'm in front of the Akshayvat tree. Let's see, it is a very historical tree which is worshipped by the Lord Sri Ram, Lakshman, Sita during the Vanvas time, and also during the Rishabh Devji, who also get enlightenment here, who was the fourth sister of the Jain. So it's a very historical tree. So let us explain and learn lot of things regarding the Akshayvat, which is located in Akbar Fort in Allahabad, Prayagraj city. I just came to see the Akshayvat, which is located in Akbar Fort in Allahabad, Prayagraj city. So let's see the meaning of Akshayvat. अक्षयवट, जिसका अर्थ है अविनाशी वट वृक्ष, प्रयागराज के संगम तट पर स्थित है। यह धार्मिक, पौराणिक और ऐतिहासिक महत्व का केंद्र है। मान्यता है कि ब्रह्मा, विष्णु और शिव ने इसे सृष्टि की स्थिरता के लिए स्थापित किया। प्रलय काल में भी इसका नाश नहीं होता। यहाँ नारायण विष्णु ने महर्षि मार्कंडेय को बाल मुकुंद रूप में दर्शन दिए थे।
श्री राम, सीता और लक्ष्मण ने भी वनवास के दौरान इसका पूजन किया था। जैन तीर्थकर ऋषभ देव ने यहाँ कैबल्य प्राप्त किया। अक्षय वट के दर्शन से मोक्ष का मार्ग प्रशस्त होता है। परिक्रमा पथ और रमणीय दृश्य इसका महिमा बढ़ाते हैं। सो लेट्स सी द व्यू ऑफ अक्षय वट ट्रीज। सो दिस इज द अक्षय वट विच इज अ वेरी हिस्टोरिकल ट्रीज। सो जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्री राम, जय ऋषभ देव जी, हर हर महादेव। So this is the view of the Akshay Vat which is located in front of the Akbar Fort in Prayagraj city.
So now again I am going to start my new visit the Sri Akshay Vat temple Patalpuri, which is dedicated to Ram, Sita and Lakshman also. So I am going, this is the view of the Samudra Manthan, the cow, the sea chirping, and this is the way. From this way I am going towards the Akshay Vat temple Patalpuri. So let's see, the view is also very unique temple, and the way is also very unique because of it is under the ground. The ways go through the other ground, and really this temple is very unique temple, and this temple is also enclosed by the Akshay Vat temple by the Akbar Fort, Allahabad.
पतालपुरी मंदिर का इतिहास। प्राचीन प्रयाग का एकमात्र स्मृति चिन्ह एवं प्रसिद्ध पतालपुरी मंदिर, जैसा कि नाम से ही विदित है, यह मंदिर भूमिगत तल में स्थित है। इसके ऐतिहासिक संदर्भ में सम्राट हर्षवर्धन के समकालीन सन 1644 ईस्वी में चीनी यात्री हेन सांग की यात्रा वर्णन में प्रयाग को पोलोयोग लिखा गया है, जो दो नदियों गंगा यमुना एवं अदृश्य सरस्वती के बीच के घेरे में नगर में स्थित तथा पश्चिम की तरफ वाटिका में एक बड़ा दुर्ग है, जिसका निर्माण संभवतः सम्राट अशोक ने कराया था। यह मंदिर एक ऊंचे टीले पर एक प्रांगण के बीच स्थित था। इससे समीप ही अक्षय वट एवं कामरूप कुआं का उल्लेख है। ऐसी मान्यता है कि जो भी प्राणी कूप में कूदकर आत्मदाह करता था वह मोक्ष को प्राप्त होता था, जिससे मंदिर के वर्तमान स्वरूप के निर्माण के समय पत्थरों से ढक दिया गया। यह मंदिर भूमिगत तल से पश्चिम की ओर से मंदिर की देववेदी से जुड़ा हुआ है, जो प्राचीन मंदिर शैली की आकृति युक्त स्तंभ शीशों पर टिके है। इस प्रकार स्तंभ की प्रकृतियों के प्रत्येक 2 खंभे हैं। मंदिर में किनारों की तरफ की श्रृंखला से 40 से अधिक देवी देवताओं तथा ऋषि मुनियों की प्राचीन 16वीं शताब्दी में दुर्ग निर्माण के अंतर्गत कराया गया। पतालपुरी मंदिर में स्थित सभी देवी देवताओं तथा ऋषि मुनियों के संपूर्ण प्रसंगों को विचित्र के रूप के दीवारों के प्रतियों का अचित्रित किया गया। सो दिस इज द व्यू ऑफ द पतालपुरी टेम्पल। लेट्स सी, I am going to explore the Patalpuri temple. I just reached now, which is a very ancient temple which is built by the Harshvardhan king. So this is the way, and from this way I am going.
So this is the entry gate, and from before the entry gate there is one a small temple of the Sri Ram, Sita and Lakshman along with the Radha Krishna. Bolo Sri Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. So let's see the beautiful idols of the Sri Ram, Sita, Krishna and Lakshman. So this is the Akshay Vat tree. We can see the clearly visible from the here Akshay Vat tree, which is a very ancient tree here. Many more time Akbar tried to. So I will explain about the whole history about the. I am going to explain about this temple history. So this is the way, and from this way. So Akshay Vat is a sacred fig tree mentioned in Hindu. It's also mentioned in the Purana along with the Jain text also. According to legend, once the sage Markandeya asked Narayana to show he a taste of his divine power. So Narayana caused a pralay, flooding the entire world for a moment during which only Akshay Vat could be seen above the water level. According to regional traditional, the Emperor Jahangir cut the Akshay Vat to its roots and hammered a red hot iron cauldron on its stump so that it does not grow again. But within a year the tree began to grow again. Ram, Lakshman and Sita are said to have rested beneath this tree. The Chinese Buddhist pilgrims Chinese Hensang mention a tree also, and Alexander Cunningham identified this tree at Prayag, which is the place where Rishabh Anantha, the first Tirthakar of the current time cycle, attained omniscience from the Jain in Jainism after 1,000 years long penance. Currently, a holy fig tree located at within the Patalpuri temple at Allahabad fort. So already I explained about that, and right now I just came inside the Patalpuri temple. We can see the view or an idol of the Lord Shiva. This is the Shivling. Om Tramkam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urubarukamiva Bandhina Mirtu Murti Amamritam. So I am feeling so awesome here after coming and visiting this temple, because there is a lots of god idols, and here god and goddess idols located in this Patalpuri temple. Let's see the view. Really, it's a very unique temple, and I am feeling so awesome here during the Patalpuri temple. So this is the idol of goddess, and this is the idol of Narsimha, who saved Prahlad. So, and this is the idol of goddess Saraswati, who is known to be Vidyadaini. So there are so many gods idol. Om Tramkam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urubarukamiva Bandhana Mrityo Murti Amamritam. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. आपदा मातरम दातरम सर्वप्रथम रो काभिराम श्री राम भूयो भूयो नमः भद्राय रामचंद्राय वेदसे नकुताय पतये निर्मल सुप्तियं स्वनंतम या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्ति रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः। ओम भूर्दा भूरि देहिनो मातृ भूरि अब्रभुति ओम भूजा पिता पुत्र विथन अनोभक सोराक्षी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः। ओम विष्णवे नमः। So this is the one Gurudwara in front of the just after the Saraswati temple, Sri Gurudwara Sahib at fort at Allahabad. So this is the exist. I am going outside. Thank you so much. Har Har Mahadev. Jai Shiv Shankar. So let's see the painting and decoration of this wall also. So once again, thank you so much. All over the 9 form of the goddess.